Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Katelynn, also known as KatelynnPwnz here on YouTube. So I think I'm definitely feeling the blue colors today. I really want to do a blue eye look. I do have class after this, so however this turns out is exactly how I'll be going to school. I'm not really sure exactly how I want to go about this or what exactly I want to do, so we'll just see how it goes. So as always, I have my base face down, my foundation and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to get right into it with the eyes. So first I'm going to take my Tartlette palette and I'm going to go into the light pink color called Super Mom, and I'm going to go ahead and take a Morphe M505 and I'm just going to lay that all over my eye to create a base for the other colors I'm going to be putting down. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and hop in with my Kat Von D Metal Matte Palette, and I'm going to take the royal blue color Velour and I'm going to start putting that all over my crease for the main color. She is very pigmented, so we are going to be a little careful because there will probably be a ton of fallout. With my Tarte Shape Tape and my Morphe M421 little concealer brush. As you can see, I left a little bare space there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put concealer in the center of my eye to create a really nice base so that the next color I put on pops really bright. My Pastel Goth palette and a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to dip into that light blue color Doom and I'm going to put that all over where I put the concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my TooFaced glitter glue and a little tiny Real Techniques lip brush, and I'm just going to put this over where I put the blue so that I can actually pat on some glitter. Now I'm going to go back into Velour and put that on my lower lash line, but I'm actually going to leave a spot right here in the middle just so I can put a little bit of Doom so that it kind of lines up with the light blue that I have in the middle on the top of my eye. I'm going to do the other eye off the camera and I'll be right back. Sapphire on from my Kat Von D Alchemist Palette using the Morphe E36 brush, and now I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes. So now that my lashes are curled, I'm going to go ahead and take my Benefit Roller Lash and I'm going to apply that to all of my lashes. Okay, so now that I'm done with my mascara, I'm going to go ahead and apply both my eyelashes, and this always takes a long time, and I'm actually going to go ahead and do this off of camera. So now that I have my eyelashes on, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face down with my Pixi Glow Mist, that way I can do some highlighting. So I'm actually going to mist my brush a little bit too. I'm going to use the M510 from Morphe. I'm going to go ahead and take my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the color Ice Cold, and I'm going to go ahead and start highlighting. little bit more extra, I'm going to go ahead and take this sapphire color in my Alchemist palette again on that same highlighting brush from Morphe, and I think I'm just going to pat a little bit of this on top. Ooh, girl, shine bright like a diamond. Now that we are glazed, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. Now that my lips are lined and filled, I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC lipstick in pink plaid. One more little spritz down. I needed a bath. And that's it, guys. That is the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it fun. If you would like to see my mug once again, then please feel free to subscribe down below. Don't forget to leave me some comments. Let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this look, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. This palette. Oh my god. This lip sweat is going to be the end of me. I'm trying to be dramatic. Oh girl, everyone at school's gonna be like, who that girl? Who's she? Who is she? I'm so extra. Why am I like this? People, help me. Help me.